Hey y'all, today we're taking a look at how to get MalwareBytes, the free version. Let's get into it. So to start off, go ahead and open your browser of preference. We are going to want to type in MalwareBytes into the URL bar, and then go to the MalwareBytes.com. Once here, we can go ahead and do the free download. Quick note, this is going to give you the trial version, so this tutorial is going to get you the free version. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up and accept this. And we can close this window. Go ahead and install it. We're using it for personal. Skip this step. Okay, so it is finished installing, so we're going to go ahead and open MalwareBytes. So out of the gate, MalwareBytes is not free. So there is a free download for a trial, but right now it is not free. So let's go skip. And then we are going to go ahead and go continue with free trial. Got it. So right now you do have the full version, but this expires in 14 days. So what we are going to do is we're going to close out of this window, come down, and we want to close out of the application. And then we are going to go to settings, apps, installed apps, and we're going to type in MalwareBytes and uninstall. Yes. So now we'll go remove MalwareBytes, and then it gives you this option, switch to MalwareBytes free. If we go ahead and select that, we can go ahead and open MalwareBytes, and when it opens, you can see we're no longer in the trial, we are now in the free version. So this gives you some basic scanning security as well as some detection, and you're good to go. Let me know if this video helped, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.